Good morning, students. Today we will end this chapter and also will start a new chapter. So, feedback you are not giving. Okay, try to do. And now the important problem is ninth problem. Simplify. Simplify. Cube fourth root 81. Fourth root 81. 8 minus 8 into cube root 343 plus 15 into fifth root 32 plus square root 225. Say, maybe for some students reading, how you have to read? This is 4. It is root 81. This you have to read 4 into square root of 81. If I write 4 small one and if I write like this 81, this is a 4th root 81. These two are different. They are not same. It is 4 into root 81. It is 4th root 81. In its expansion, 4 into 81, square root of 81 is 9. 4 nines are how much? 36. But here, nth root a is a third and you can write in exponential form a to the power of 1 by n. This symbol is called radical sign. This symbol is called radical sign. Okay. It is radical form and it is exponential form. Its simplification is 81 to the power of 1 by 4. 81 how you can write? 3 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 cancelled. Its answer is 3. Its answer is 36. No student will say 3 and 36 are equal. But maximum students will say that 4 into root 81, 4th root 81 is same, they will say. Okay. So, square root, cube root, 4th root, 5th root. Here, these are called order of the surds. If no number is there, it is square root. Okay. The order of the surd is 2. No need of writing it. Now, how to simplify this problem, we will see it. First, reading is important. How to read this one is important. 4th root 81 minus 8 into cube root 343 plus 15 into 5th root 32 plus square root of 225. Now, 81 in rough, 81 take it. So, prime factorization. 81, it won't go in 2 table, 3 table, 3 27s, 3 9s, 3 3s. 81, how you can write? 3 to the power of 4. 4th root as it is I written, 81 means I written 3 power 4 because 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81. Now, the remaining I am copying as it is. But 343, again prime factorization. 7 4s are 28, 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are. How I can write 7 cube? Next again plus 15 as it is, 5th root 32. In prime factorization, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. How many 2s are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. 225. 225. 3 7s are, 3 5s are, 3 25s are, 5 5s are. So, 3 5, 3 5 means 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 3 square into 5 square. So, here square root of 3 square into 5 square. 225 in prime factorization we can write 3 square into 5 square. Now simplification. Power 4, fourth root cancelled and 3 is remained. 7 cube and cube root cancelled, 8 into 7. Power 5 and fifth root cancelled, 15 into 2 plus. Here see it, root AB formula is root A into root B. Means root 3 square into root 5 square. Square root cancelled. Now 3 as it is, 8 sevens are 56, 15 twos are 30, 3 fives are 50. All plus numbers add it. 30 plus 15, 45, 48. 48 minus 56, minus 8. So, this if you simplify, you are getting the answer as minus 8. So, like these problems, take from any other textbooks or from internet, and how many problems you will solve, that much expert you will become. And try to practice it. And one more sum I will say in this chapter. That is root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equals to A minus B root 15. See, it is also very important problem. Surds. This chapter name is surds and it is there in intermediate first year. Okay, logarithms. Very important for higher classes. So in 10th class also these sums will be there, and try to learn perfectly. Now we have to take LHS. LHS is root 5 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. It is LHS. Rationalizing factor for the denominator. See, in answer you are not having any denominator. So here you have denominator. So what you have to do? Rationalizing the denominator. In previous class I said how to do rationalizing the denominator. If the surds are of second degree, rationalizing factor differs only in the middle symbol. So here 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 is RF for this one. With this you have to multiply, with this you have to divide. Now simplification. Here 2 terms are there, here 2 terms are there. Here 2 terms, here 2 terms. You have to do multiplication. See, like this problem is there. How you have to do simplification? Numerator into numerator. 3 sevens are 21, 5 twos are 10. Same how you will do here also as it is, but as surds are there. What is this? Root 5. What is this? 2 root 5. Okay. X into 2x. How you will write? 2x square. Root 5 into 2 root 5. How you will write? 2 into root 5 square. Square cancel and 2 5s are 10 will come. Like this you have to write here. Root 5 into 2 root 5. With this one I multiply. Plus root 5 into 3 root 3. This into this one. Next, root 3 into 2 root 5. Root 3 into 3 root 3. Numerator is completed. 2 terms into 2 terms. 4 terms are. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. Now, denominator. Directly formula A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Now, here root 5 is there, root 5 is there. If you multiply root 5 square, 2 into root 5 square, plus as it is, see, x into 3y. X means root 5, 3, root 3 means y. X into 3y, if you multiply, first always coefficient you have to write it, 3. And x into y you have to write. Same like 3 into root a into root b, root of a into b. Formula is. Here same 2 into root of 3 into 5. Root 3 into root 3 square will come root 3 square. Square roots cancel. 2 5s are and denominator. Don't cut this square and this square root. Now 2 root 5 whole square like 2 square into root 5 square. 3 square into root 3 square. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15. 3 3s are 9. 2 square means 4, 4 5s are 20 minus 3 square means 9, 9 3s are 27. 10 and 9 numbers. 10 plus 9 is 19. For 3 root 15, if you add 2 root 15, you are getting 5 root 15. 20 minus 27 is minus 7. You got like this. But it is not answer. In question they given a minus b root 15 or not. So it is not like that. You have to write this one in the form of a minus b root 15. That is important. How you have to write, we'll see it here. That answer, how you have to write it, I'll see. So this, you can split this one, 19 by minus 7 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. In denominators you should not write minus. Minus 19 by 7 plus minus 5 root 15 by 7. Now what I have to do is, this minus 19 by 7 as it is, I have to remove the bracket, plus into minus. Minus 5 by 7 root 15. Now compare this with this one. A means before minus whatever is there is A. Before minus you have minus 19 by 7. So A is equals to minus 19 by 7. After minus and before root 15. After minus and before root 15. Whatever number is there, that is B. Means B is equal to how much? 5 by 7. So you got the values A and B. So up to now this chapter is completed. Next we will go for second chapter. Just introduction. Polynomials. What is meant by polynomial? Already you learned in 8th class. So once revise. What is polynomial? What is order of the polynomial? Quadratic, cubic. So these entire are important. So in next class I will say next exercise into